Okay, let's get started with today's video. So today also we'll be doing some questions from the same exercise that we did yesterday. But the problem is in this question that if you guys see your book or see that exercise, all the questions after question number 7 and 8 have come in exams, board exams before. Okay, just check out your books, you will understand कि सारे के सारे क्वेश्चंस जो 7th के बाद के हैं वो एग्जाम में आ चुके हैं और आते ही रहते हैं ऐसे टाइप के क्वेश्चंस। तो अभी हमें क्या सीखने की जरूरत है और वो क्वेश्चंस क्यों आते हैं, उनमें क्या डिफरेंस है, which we did yesterday, what's the difference between them and which the questions that we are doing today. I'll let you know when I solve this question. I'll also tell you ki which part is not matching yesterday's work, but it's almost same. Okay, so let's see. First we'll find the value of x and then we'll focus on the other words that are written over here. And first we'll do this much, find the value of x. Okay, so how to find the value of x? X equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, ठीक है, upon 2a, right? Now I know what is a, so I'll write it down over here. A is equals to 1, b is equals to minus 5 and c is equals to minus 10. I hope that's clear for everyone. ठीक है, x square minus 5x minus 10. Let me just check whether the question is right. The question is right. Let's move on. X equals to minus b, that is minus 5, so it's going to become plus 5 because minus is already there and minus 5 comes, so it's going to become plus 5 plus minus, that is 25, b ka square, b is 5, 5 ka square 25 minus 4 into a into c, 4 into a into c, that's going to give you what, plus, because यहाँ पे minus 10 है तो it's going to be 40. Now if you understand कि भाई 2 up 2a कितना होता है, 2a तो 1 ही है तो 2 आ जाएगा. So x equals to 5 plus minus root 65 upon 2. ये मेरा आंसर आया. मेरे दो आंसर आए, एक है 5 plus root 65 upon 2 and the other one is 5 minus root 65 upon 2. So I got my two answers. और yesterday or day before yesterday we were doing this much कि हम यहाँ पे अपना आंसर छोड़ दे. But let me explain you what is the difference over here. And then they said find the value of x. हमने x की वैल्यू ढूंढ ली. अब उन्होंने क्या कहा, and give your answers correct to two decimal places. So after decimal there should be two decimal places. After decimal there should be two more numbers. Decimal के आगे कितने भी नंबर हो सकते हैं, पर decimal के बाद only two numbers should be there. Keep it in your mind. अब होता क्या इन क्वेश्चंस में, रूट 65 की वैल्यू आप कैसे ढूंढोगे या रूट 65 कैसे मिलेगा आपको. आई हैव टू टेल यू दिस राइट नाउ कि जब आप 10th बोर्ड में बैठोगे, प्री बोर्ड में बैठोगे, आपके स्कूल में भी जब एग्जाम्स होंगे तो आपको 10th में एक बुकलेट मिलेगी. क्या मिलेगी आपको? एक बुकलेट. ठीक है, जब आप एग्जाम में बैठे होंगे आपको उस बुकलेट में क्या दिया जाएगा, आपको रूट की सारी वैल्यू दी जाएगी, आपको ट्रिग्नोमेट्री की सारी वैल्यूज दी जाएगी. कीप दैट इन माइंड. तो जब आप रूट 65 की वैल्यू ढूंढने जा रहे हो आपको याद नहीं करना है, आप अपनी बुक के सबसे पीछे वाले हिस्से में जाओ. आई विल शो यू. ओके, टर्न योर बुक एट द एंड. और जब आप आखिरी में पलटोगे अपनी बुक, so what you will see square root written after answer is finished. You will see square root is written. If you guys see this square root, right? All the square roots are given, but I have to find the square root of 65. So I'll show you where is the square root of 65. So this is 55, if you guys can see, 56, 57, but I need 65. 65 का कितना है? 8.062. How much? 65 का 8.062. So I'll find the value. 8.062 is root 65. तो मैं यहाँ कर रहा हूँ, यहाँ पे जगह नहीं है इसलिए मैं यहाँ कर रहा हूँ. इसके बाद तो x equals to 5 plus 8.062 upon 2, and the other answer is going to be 5 minus 8.062 upon 2. ठीक है, मैंने इसको जो रूट था उसको कन्वर्ट कर दिया। यही आज हम सीखेंगे कि यहाँ तक तो आपने कल भी सीख लिया था, उसके बाद हम सीखेंगे कैसे स्क्वायर रूट को हम पॉइंट्स में डेसिमल में लेके आए, और आपको बस देख के लिखना है। ठीक है, आपको बुक के पीछे से देख के लिखना है कैसे करना है। ओके, 5.8 कितना हो जाएगा आपका 13.062 अपॉन 2, and then you divide it. X is going to be तो मेरे एक आंसर तो है 6.531, पर मुझे डेसिमल के बाद कितने नंबर चाहिए थे, 2 डेसिमल प्लेसेस, तो आई रिमूव 1। और अगर यहाँ पे 8 होता तो मैं यहाँ 8 को रिमूव करके यहाँ 4 लिख देता, राउंड ऑफ करके लिखना है आपको आखिरी नंबर। और यहाँ पे 1 है और यहाँ 3 है, तो मैं अगर 1 को हटाता हूँ तो 3 में कोई चेंज नहीं आएगा। इधर देखते हैं, 5 माइनस, इफ आई हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट 8.062 फ्रॉम 5, so I'll subtract it like this, so 2, 6, 0 and 3, so it's going to be minus 3.062 upon 2, and I'll divide it, minus 10 हो जाएगा, 0.5, 1 जा 2, 3 जा 6, and then 2 1 जा 2, so my answer is minus 1.531, but I need only 2 numbers after decimal places because the question says so. So my first answer is 6.53 and my second answer is minus 1.53. So those are the two values of x that I have now. Did you guys understood? I hope you guys did, and that's how you will be solving. यहाँ तक आपने कर लिया था, इसके बाद आप पीछे से देखोगे बुक के पीछे से √65 की वैल्यू and you will solve it like that. ठीक है? Okay, let's move on to the other question, question number 9. I guess this is the second part of question number 9. Yes, and the question is same. I need to find the value of x and 2 decimal places. I'm rubbing this part so that I have more space to do that question. Okay, let's move on. Let's see question number 9. 9 says 2x minus 1 upon x equals to 7. The problem with this question is this is not a quadratic equation right now. It is, but I have to make sure that I change into form of ax square plus bx plus c wale form. So I'll find out LCM. Only when I have LCM, then I can shift x on that side. If I don't have LCM, I can't shift x on that side. So only when there is LCM, I can shift this on the other side. So it's going to be 2x square minus 1 equals to 7x. x एक नीचे था, ऊपर जाके 7x हो गया. I'll shift everything on one side. 2x square minus 7x minus 1 equals to 0. So this is my answer. Sorry, a quadratic equation. So I got my quadratic equation. Now what? I need to find what is a, what is b, and what is c. So a is what? A is 2, b is minus 7, and c is minus 1. Right? Now I know the formula, minus b, x की वैल्यू ढूंढने के लिए, minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2. Guys, remember, every question you do, you have to write down the formula in that question. Okay? Every question you do, whether you're doing 10 questions in a day, you have to write down formula in each and every question. Okay, let's put the values. X equals to minus b, b is 7 minus 7 plus minus b square, minus 7 का square करेंगे तो 49 आएगा, and then minus 4 into a is 2 into c is minus 1 upon 2 into a is 2. ठीक है? So x equals to plus 7 plus minus 49. This is 49. 4 to 8 minus minus plus. So 49 plus 8, that is going to be 57. Right? Upon 4. So you have got two answers. X equals to 7 plus 57 upon 4, and 7 minus 57 upon 4. Two answers you have got. But now you have to turn back in the book. Okay, turn your pages, go at the back and see what's the value for root 57. So if you guys see root 57 की value कितनी होगी 7.550. So x equals to 7 plus 7.550 upon 4. Is that okay? This is going to be 7 minus 7.550 upon 4. ठीक है, इतना समझ आया सबको? Now I'll be solving them. अगर मैं इसको सॉल्व करता हूँ, what I'll be getting is 7714.550 upon 4, and the other answer that I'm going to get 0.550 upon 4. Okay, now I'll be solving this out and I'll be writing 4 ones are, and I'll be cancelling this. 4 3s are 12, 2 bacha, 4 5s are 24, 6s are 24, 1 is left, 4 3s are 12, and then 3 goes on that side, 4 7s are 28. So my answer is 3.637. But I need only 2-digit number after decimal. See over here now. अब मेरे पास यहाँ पे मुझे डेसिमल के बाद 2-digit नंबर चाहिए, पर यहाँ पे 7 है, तो 7 5 से बड़ा है, तो दिस इज गोइंग टू चेंज. सो इट्स गोइंग टू बी 3.64. My first answer. And the same thing that we'll be doing in the other question as well. If you guys don't know how to divide, you guys can just use this formula to divide and divide it. And when you get your answer, remember that round off करके आपको लिखना है, round off. ठीक है, round off करके आप आंसर लिखेंगे. मैंने आपके लिए एक आंसर निकाल दिया, the rest you'll be finding out. ठीक है? Okay, let's have a look in question number 10 now. Question number 10 is little different from question number 9 or 8. How it's different, I'll explain you. It says find the value of x and give your answer correct to two significant figure. यहाँ पे डेसिमल के बाद दो नंबर नहीं चाहिए. फॉर एग्जांपल माय आंसर इज 3.568. दे से टू सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स होने चाहिए ऑल टुगेदर. सो माय आंसर शुड बी 3.5. सॉरी 3.6. रीजन इज यहाँ पे 5 से बड़ा है, तो राउंड ऑफ कर देना, इसको 6 बना देना. सो ओनली टू नंबर्स आर गोना कम. अगर मेरा आंसर ऐसे आ रहा है फॉर 34.789, सो यू विल जस्ट टेक योर आंसर टू सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स, दैट इज 35. 7a ये राउंड ऑफ हो जाएगा, ये 35 बन जाएगा. ओनली टू सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स. आई होप यू गाइस आर गेटिंग दिस. सो first I'll find my answer like I was doing in the other questions as well, and then I'll move on to do finding out two significant figures. So the very first thing that I need to do in this question is make this question a proper question. This is going to be x square by finding out LCM into x minus 18 equals to 6x. x नीचे से ऊपर चला गया. x square minus 6x minus 18 equals to 0. Does that make sense? Okay. X square minus 6x minus 18 equals to 0. Okay, now I need to know what is a. 1, b is minus 6 and c is minus 18. ठीक है? a is 1, b is minus 6 and c is minus 18. Now what I'll do, I'll find the value. You know the formula, x equals to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac, right, upon 2a. ठीक है? I'll do this much. Okay, let's see what can we do now. What I'll do, I'll put the values. Minus b बन जाएगा 6, x equals to 6, and then plus minus b square, b is 636 minus ये बन जाएगा आपका 4 into 18 72 and So plus 72 upon 2a, that is only 2 is going to be over here. So x equals to 6 plus minus 108, okay, upon 2. So 6 plus minus 108 upon 2. अगर मैं इसको 108 अगर आप पीछे देखोगे आपको वैल्यू नहीं मिलेगी। क्यों नहीं मिलेगी आपको वैल्यू? क्योंकि ये आपको पीछे नहीं दे रखा। तो आप क्या करोगे, आप 108 को पहले थोड़ा तोड़ लोगे। तोड़ सकते हो ना, 54, ठीक है। Yes, 72 plus 36 is going to be, yes, 227 and 2 now 27 का तो हो ही नहीं सकता, सॉरी हो सकता है 3 9 जा 3, so what I have, I can bring them out, 3 is only going to be left. So x equals to 6 plus minus 2 3 जा 6 बाहर आ जाएगा और अंदर क्या बचेगा 3 upon 2. So I have two answers. What are my two answers? 6 plus 6 root 3 upon 2 and then 6 minus 6 root 3 upon 2. So these are my two answers that I will be getting, and root 3 की वैल्यू आपको ऑलरेडी पता है 1.732. Okay, root 3 की वैल्यू क्या है? 1.732. Put the value. I'll show you this. I'll do this for you. Only for you. If it wasn't you, I wouldn't have done it. But I'm just doing it for you guys, okay? So 6 plus 6 into 1.732 upon 2 and 6 minus 6 into 1.732 upon 2. Now you guys can multiply this and add them and you'll get your answer. What answer you'll be getting? 6 1 is 6 point, just a second, 6 2 is so it's going to be 11.392. Okay, upon 2. So if you add them, it's going to be 17.392 upon 2, and the other one is going to be 6 minus 11.392, and that is going to upon 2, and when you subtract, it's going to be 6 11 gaya to 5.392 upon 2. When you divide this, now you guys can divide, and when you divide this, only two significant figures should come. Okay, so it's going to be, I'll divide it for you. 2 6 are 12, 2 9, 2 8 are 16.2 ones are 2, and then 1 is left. 2 8s, 2 9s are 18, 2 6 are 12, 8.196. नाउ आपको दो सिग्निफिकेंट फिगर्स चाहिए बस, तो आपको 8 और 1 चाहिए, पर जब आप 8 और 1 लिख रहे थे तो आप यहाँ 2 लिख दोगे क्योंकि 9 है, 9 को राउंड ऑफ करेंगे तो कितना मिल जाएगा आपको पता है, ठीक है 2, तो 8.2, and the other answer you guys can do it on your own. Okay, I hope you did understood this, you got the idea how to solve these questions. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it and you did understand it. Okay, take care of yourself.